Hi, welcome back. As we have talked about SEO activities, and we have mentioned about backlinks as one of the SEO activities we're going to be discussing about. Okay, what is this? I know you must have heard of backlinks. Backlinks could be as well linking to your pages. That one we call it internal linking. Okay, you're linking pages within your website, so that a user, when a user comes in to browse your website, could be able to navigate freely and find information. Remember, you can also link your website externally. When you link your website externally, make sure that you link to authority website. You don't just link to any website that does not have reputation, or website with no that's not ranked higher. So it's always good you link to any website that is ranked higher, okay, than your own. Okay, let me open up one. Okay, let's see here, Aviva directory. Okay, you on the next class. If you have question, you ask. Otherwise, see you on the next class. Thank you.